In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring or subscription product in GoDaddy Commerce. To get started, sign in to your GoDaddy Commerce or online store dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your products, pricing, and store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the products section and click on it. This is where all of your existing items are listed, and it's also where you can create new ones. From here, you have two options depending on what you want to do. If you already have a product that you want to turn into a subscription, simply select that product from your list. If you're creating something new, go ahead and create a new product first. Either way, the goal is to open the product editor so you can adjust its settings. Once you're inside the product settings, find the option for recurring or subscription and toggle it on. Turning this setting on tells GoDaddy that this product should be billed on a repeating schedule rather than as a one-time purchase. This is especially useful for memberships, ongoing services, refill items, or any product you want customers to receive and pay for regularly. After enabling the subscription option, the next step is to define the billing frequency. For example, you might set it to monthly if you want customers to be charged once per month. Choose the schedule that makes the most sense for your business and the type of product you're offering, then enter the pricing details carefully. Make sure the subscription price is accurate, since this is the amount your customers will be charged based on the schedule you selected. It's a good idea to double check this information before moving on because recurring pricing should always be clear and intentional. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This final step applies your changes and updates the product so it can be offered as a subscription in your store. And that's it. You've successfully set up a recurring product in GoDaddy Commerce. Before you finish, it can be helpful to quickly review the product page one more time to confirm the frequency and price display the way you expect. Taking that extra moment can help avoid confusion for customers later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.